Oh, sorry ladies, sorry, you had to see that, whatever. Welcome to the next part of the arcade. In this video, we will be adding a hammer arcade. This is the one where you like hammer that thing and it goes up. This is a real simple, real easy build, but you've got to have that in your arcade. To really start building, I guess, you're gonna need 3 main sections. And so let's break them down step by step and let's start to get build. First we have this, this is the base of it. So first what we have here is basically we've divided it up into like these type of pieces, right? So we have this that will connect these 2 plates together, or you can use 1 plate. It doesn't really matter if you don't really want to, but there's that. And we're gonna put these on here. So it kind of gives that nice looking back base. And then this piece came in, the first brick gears in them, it had those. And it came with these little squiggly. I just thought it was cool, so I put that on one of those 2x2 bricks and I put it right there. So that is your base. Your second section is the one with the hammer. So basically what I did here is it's 2 2x2 bricks stacked on top of each other with this this bracket right here. And you're gonna put this on top like that. If you found this video helpful or informational or entertaining, please smash that subscribe button and like. I would really appreciate that. And if you wanna see the rest of the arcade, you can click up, which one was it? Is it like, I think it's this one. I think it's this side. If not, it's one of these sides that it'll pop up and there'll be the playlist that you can go watch and see the rest of the arcade build. The third section is gonna be this bad boy right here. Kind of this is whatever really pattern you want to use. I just kind of had the different type of lights, you know, that go up in levels. You're gonna kind of put this under here. I got a joke for y'all, by the way. Let's hear me out. This is a good one. What has 4 wheels and each Lego bricks? A vacuum cleaner. Wait, a vacuum cleaner? What is? Vacuum cleaners only have 2 wheels. Maybe I wrote that wrong. Anyway, all right. So next, you're gonna put 2 of these guys together and the little one in there. You're gonna clip that in there. We're gonna assemble all 3 of the pieces now. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna plop this bad boy in that little square we made right there, like boom. And then these lights will go on top right here and clip in just like that. And just like that, you have the hammer. I think it turned out really cool. I mean, I think it's genius, honestly, but you know, hey, whatever. If you enjoyed this video or you want some pieces, Brendan's Brick Lot is the store to go to. They have everything. We have the fastest shipping this side of Mississippi. If you made it till the very end, thank you so much for watching. Your time is so valuable to me and everything we do on this channel. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.